Welcome back. Yesterday we were out fishing for some bass and barracuda, and went out for it again today. Definitely a slower day, but we're gonna do something a little different for you guys today. We're gonna do a little catch, clean, and cook with barracuda. A lot of people call them slime sticks or snot rods, a whole lot of mean names, but are they any good to eat? Well, let's find out. We'll see. Oh! There's nothing down here, man. Just wind them up. Didn't have the drag set. There we go. Calico bass. Nice. Yeah. Oh. Got me screwing with the sonar. Yeah, big old. Those are tasty, but nice sand bass. Very cool, man. We tried just about everything, but the bite had started to fizzle, and we really had to work for our fish.
Oh, there we go.
Hey! See, I'm glad I didn't. Nice calico bass.
It's only good out there.
Oh yeah, carry.
There you go.
Oh, sorry, yeah, Terry. Throw out, if you can, throw that bait on the spinning rod right under those birds. It's barracuda.
Oh, it's barracuda. See, you're getting a net for that one, right?
Can you do me a favor and open the grate cooler?
Yep.
Yeah, actually, let's take a picture before we put this one away. Oh, on the sink. Yes. Yeah, not a huge one, but an angry one. I mean, that's a chunky one for sure. Not a bad one. Sculpin, bass, yeah, sand bass. That was weird, man. We were right in the middle of nowhere. We're going to start off with a fillet of barracuda. You fillet a barracuda just like any other fish, and there are about 1 million videos on the internet, so we're going to skip that part and go straight to the details. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut out the rib bones and try to save as much meat as possible, but not leave any bones in the fillet itself. Once you're done with that, I like to give it a pat down and make sure I got all the bones. And then I'm going to, against the grain, pin the skin to the board and run my blade at about a 45-degree angle to take the skin off. So the key to making Barracuda taste great and having people love it is getting any of the bloodline out. So any of this dark red meat, you gotta cut it out, or it will definitely have a strong cat food-like taste. On this bottom chunk, the first half inch or so was pretty gristly, so I went ahead and cut it off. For the most part, this bottom chunk did not have a whole lot of bloodline in it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out the little bit that is there. And what you're left with when you've done all that is a piece of just gorgeous white meat ready to go on the smoker, ready to get grilled or even fried up for some tacos. I like to use a couple pieces of heavy-duty aluminum foil to make sure my kitchen doesn't smell like fish for the rest of the week. Teriyaki sauce and low-sodium soy sauce are going to be the backbone of this recipe. If you like your fish on the sweet side, you can obviously add more of the teriyaki sauce and less of the soy sauce. I also like to spice mine up with a little bit of sriracha and gochujang. And when you've got your seasoning just the way you want it, go ahead and shake it up, let it marinate in the fridge overnight, and throw it on the smoker. I run mine for about 6 hours at 160 degrees, or as low as you can get it. What we're going for is a cold smoke. I didn't get any pictures of it coming off the grill because it was kind of late at night, but it was super tasty and very happy with the end result. Hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.